Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the review, I've linked this coffee maker below at a great price. Check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the Ninja Hot and Iced XL coffee maker with rapid cold brew, and this one genuinely covers every way you'd ever want to drink coffee from a single machine. You get 4 different brew styles: classic for your everyday cup, rich for a bolder, more concentrated flavor, over ice for iced coffee that's never watered down because it brews hot directly onto ice at the right strength, and cold brew, which is usually the big selling point here. This machine makes smooth, fresh cold brew in as little as 10 minutes. Real cold brew normally takes 12 to 24 hours. 10 minutes is a genuine game changer for cold brew fans. You also get 8 different brew sizes, ranging from a small single cup all the way up to an XL travel size or a full 12-cup carafe, so whether you're making a quick solo cup in the morning or brewing for the whole family, this handles it all. The water reservoir is removable and has auto metering, which means it automatically senses how much water it needs for your chosen brew size. No measuring, no constantly refilling, you just top it up and let the machine handle the rest. Thermal flavor extraction ensures even water saturation and precise temperature control throughout the brew cycle, which translates to consistently better tasting coffee rather than the uneven extraction you get from cheaper machines. The 24-hour delay brew timer lets you set it up the night before and wake up to a fresh hot carafe already waiting, genuinely one of the more underrated quality of life features on a coffee maker. It comes with the 12-cup glass carafe, a permanent reusable filter so no paper filters needed, and a Ninja Smart Scoop for measuring. This listing is the black 12-cup version. Overall, if you want hot coffee, iced coffee, and cold brew all from one machine without waiting half a day for cold brew, the Ninja CM371 is genuinely hard to beat at this price. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.